Looking for a beautiful ocean spot in California? Welcome to Old Fisherman's Wharf in Monterey. This place is full of life, from sea lions and ocean views, to fresh seafood and vibrant street vibes. Whether you're walking by the water or enjoying th. Welcome to the most crooked street in the world. Lombard Street, San Francisco. With its sharp turns and beautiful flower-lined curves, this place looks like something out of a movie. Cars slowly wind down the zigzag road, while visitors enjoy the This is Huntington Beach, California, also known as Surf City, USA. Located along the Southern California coast, this place is famous for its endless waves and iconic surf culture. Every day, surfers from around the world come here chasing the perfect ride. Right in the center, you'll find the Huntington Beach Pier, stretching into the Pacific Ocean, offering some of the most beautiful views in California. This is Los Angeles, the city of dreams. From above, the skyline tells a story of ambition, where every street leads to opportunity. In the heart of the city, towering buildings touch the sky, shaping one of the most iconic skylines in the world. Just beyond, the legendary Hollywood sign stands tall, a symbol of fame, film, and endless possibility. Welcome to Pacific Park, right on the iconic Santa Monica Pier in California. This oceanfront amusement park is full of color, energy, and unforgettable views. Ride the famous Ferris wheel, feel the ocean breeze, and enjoy the perfect mix of fun and scenery. From thrilling rides to stunning sunsets over the Pacific, this is California at its best. Would you love to visit this place? Deep in the forests of Sequoia National Park lives one of California's most peaceful wild animals, the deer. Surrounded by giant trees and fresh mountain air, these graceful creatures move quietly through nature. You might spot them walking through the forest or resting in the calm wilderness. It's a beautiful reminder of how pure and wild nature can be. Would you love to see this in real life? Looking for a peaceful beach in Southern California? Welcome to Swami's Beach in Encinitas. Known for its scenic cliffs, clean waves, and laid-back surf vibe, this spot is a favorite for surfers and sunset lovers. Watch the waves roll in, feel the ocean breeze, and take in one of the most relaxing views on the coast. Swami's Beach is pure California calm. Would you love to visit this place? Welcome to Los Angeles, the city of dreams. From iconic skylines to endless highways, this is where energy meets ambition. Watch the city come alive from above, with stunning views, bright lights, and non-stop motion. From Hollywood to downtown LA, every corner tells a story. Los Angeles isn't just a city, it's a lifestyle. Would you love to explore LA from the sky? Driving through Los Angeles, the heart of California. From palm-lined streets to endless highways, every road here feels like a movie scene. Cruise past iconic spots, feel the energy of the city, and watch the skyline rise around you. Day or night, LA never slows down. This isn't just a drive, it's the Los Angeles experience. Would you take this ride? Looking for a peaceful escape in Los Angeles? Welcome to Kenneth Hahn State Recreation Area. a hidden green space with scenic trails, open hills, and amazing city views. Walk through nature, relax by the lake, and take in the fresh air away from the busy streets. From the top, you get a stunning view of the LA skyline.